Okay, hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today I'm coming with you for a dupe for Limelight by Alcone, Limelife by Alcone's Lip Liner. Their Enduring Lip Liner. Quick review and a perfect, near perfect dupe. Stay tuned. Okay, it has occurred to me that I have not done a review of the lip liner by Limelight, or soon to be called, and maybe transitioning to Limelife by Alcone, their Enduring Lip Color. Now, I only have one, but I had swatched the other ones previously when my sister-in-law was selling them. She had like them all, and I tested them out. And the only one I bought was the light nude color. Here it is. And it was $18 on their website, and you get like what is it, 0.012 ounce or something. Anyway, it is, you know, it's a standard lip liner with a slanted tip. Here it goes. I've used it a lot. I really like it, okay? Let's just cut to the chase. I really like this lip liner, but you've got to be really careful. You only put up a tiny little bit of product because it will break on you, and you will be so sad because, you know, like these things only come with like this much, maybe 1.5 inches of product to begin with. Okay, so be really careful with it. But let's get to my like more extensive review and then the dupe, because the dupe is, you're gonna love it. Okay, so first quick disclaimer, I am not a beauty guide, I don't sell Limelight, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a beauty guru or an influencer, I'm just Melanie Mills, trying to make some videos to help you out and make good decisions about your shopping. Alright, and I had started making these reviews because I was watching looking for other real reviews on Limelight products, but I couldn't find any that from people that weren't selling, so I started making it myself. So if you are interested in that, subscribe to my channel. And I also make all kinds of crazy videos because it's fun. Why not? YouTube's fun. Alright, so the quick review. I like this product a lot. It has nice lasting power. It doesn't irritate my skin, and so many products do because I have very sensitive skin. It doesn't make it red. It lasts. It keeps the lipstick or lip gloss contained. You do feel it on your lips, and you know it is waxy. There's nothing wrong with it. I really liked to line my lip with this, color it all in, and use a lip gloss over it. That was my favorite thing to do with this until I found this dupe, and I'm telling you right now, Rimmel, exaggerate. It is a near perfect dupe, like near perfect. Look, they look exactly the same. Almost. The tips are near exactly the same. The amount of product, I don't have two to compare, they're brand new, but like the amount of turns and the way it looked to me is nearly the same. Okay, so I have two different colors because I only had, so this is the soft, the light nude from Limelight, and this is, hold on, what is this called? East End Snob. And I really like this color. All right, so here, they both have like 7 or 8 different colors. 12, I'm not sure. I can't remember. Put them up here. They have a nice variety of colors. You're bound to find something in each of them that you would like. But the dupe typically costs between $5 and $8. $5 and $8. Right now on CVS, it's like $4.50, okay? This is always $18 on Limelight. So first let's go through the ingredients. I'll put up some ingredients here. You can see there's 2 different ingredients. The Limelight one has like a emulsifier and some skin softener, and they're both on the same side. And the Rimmel one has a preservative that the other one does not have. But if you look at the bottom, Limelight may also include lots of different items based on the colorants. So the colors don't seem to be exact dupes, but I'm not sure because I haven't bought them all. I should, but I didn't, because like I went to CVS to buy some and they were $8 the other day. But now suddenly online they're like $4.50, so I don't know. The one I did buy was under $5 at Target. Let's get to the wear tests. I did some wear tests. I'll show you those and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Limelight lip liner on one side and the Rimmel on the other, and then we'll wear it all day and see what happens. I'm going to draw 2 lines on my hand. One here, both hands. And then with the other, it's a little thicker. Okay, so I put Limelight on this side and Rimmel on this side. And I put it on both my hands. I'll wear it for the day and then get back to you. Well, I'm gonna put some lip gloss. I'm going to use the Limelight lip gloss and put that over it, and then I'll get back to you, and if I show a wear test or not, I'm not sure. I'll at least snap a picture. Okay, here's me at the beginning. I look ridiculous. All right, I'll see you soon and let you know. They should be exactly the same, but who knows? See you soon. Okay. 7 hours of wear. I don't think I have any left on either side. And my hands, on this one, it looks like the Limelight, which is the brown one, wore a little bit better. And this one, I'd have to say the same. The Limelight one is the brown one seems to be wearing better. I don't know if that's just how I rubbed it or what. But the brown Limelight one on this side of my face, it is more chapped than the other. So I'll probably switch it tomorrow and then let you know. These pictures are so awful, I don't think I'll show you again. I'm just gonna lose subscribers because like I look terrible. This is the Wet n Wild foundation too, yuck. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. So we'll get back to the dupes soon, and I'll check in tomorrow and try it all again. See you later. Okay, so yesterday my lips got a little dry because I put Limelight on this side and that was a little drier than the Rimmel. So today we switched it up and Rimmel's on this side and Limelight's on this side, and we'll do a wear test again. Okay, so this is 6 hours. Looks the same to me. So I did the wear test, and I've worn them many times now, and I gotta tell you, I can't tell the difference. They're almost exactly the same. They don't have the most extensive lasting power. They don't line lip perfectly, but they're both really nice and do a great job for what they do. I would consider it an exact dupe. There is no way I would pay $18 for a Limelight one again. I did another test. I put this on about a half hour ago, and I thought, do you watch Jen Loveless reviews? And she always does this wipe test. So I thought we'd just do a wipe test to see like a simulated wear. Okay, so in this wipe test, waiting some time. All right, trying to see. They pretty much wear the same. At first, it looked like the Rimmel one was lasting, but they pretty much lasted pretty much the same. So I gotta tell you, I think they're exact dupes. Definitely go get the Rimmel one. It's really nice. And that's about all I have to say today. I'm not sure what else except... Okay, I remember what I had to say. It's that Limelight is coming out with new packaging for their lip liner. It will include a self-sharpener, which is sure to waste more product. So don't let the shiny new packaging change you. I don't think the formula is going to change at all. Don't do it. Go with the Rimmel. I can't remember. So, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.